In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Hostinger to ChatGPT and use it to plan, refine, and publish a website project with Hostinger Horizons. To get started, sign in to ChatGPT and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're inside, look over to the sidebar and open the Apps section. This is where you can connect supported tools and services directly to ChatGPT so you can work more efficiently without switching back and forth between platforms. In the apps area, search for the official Hostinger app. Be sure you're selecting the correct official listing since that ensures you're connecting the right service. When you find Hostinger, select it and click Connect. This will begin the setup process that links your Hostinger access with ChatGPT. Next, sign in to your Hostinger account. After that, you'll be asked to authorize the connection. This approval step allows ChatGPT and Hostinger to work together so you can build and manage your project with fewer manual steps. Once the authorization is complete, the connection should be active and ready to use. Now start a new chat with the Hostinger app. This is where the creative planning begins. In your message, describe the website or application you want to create. Try to be as clear and specific as possible because the quality of the result depends heavily on the quality of the instructions you provide. Make sure to include the purpose of the project, the pages you want, the features you need, and your preferred design style. For example, you can explain what the site is for, who it's meant to serve, what kind of navigation it should have, and whether you want the design to feel modern, minimal, professional, bold, or playful. The more complete your description is, the easier it will be for ChatGPT to generate something useful and well organized. After that, review the generated website structure carefully. Take a moment to check whether the layout, sections, and overall plan match your goals. This review stage is important because it helps you catch missing details early before moving deeper into the build process. If anything needs improvement, ask ChatGPT to revise those sections. You can refine the wording, adjust the page structure, improve the feature list, or request a different design direction. Keep iterating until the project outline feels right for your needs. Once you're satisfied with the structure, continue editing and publishing the project through Hostinger Horizons. From there, you can keep shaping the final result and move toward launching your website or application with a clearer, faster workflow.